guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? So I'm going to be showing you how I use a blow dryer attachment to deep condition my hair as well as my detangling routine. So let's just start off by obviously parting my hair. You gotta part your hair if you're natural, and you always want to work with your hair damp. Because I'm doing a mask without washing my hair prior, I'm just going to moist. I'm just going to put a little bit of moisture onto my hair before you start anything, especially because I'm using a mask. I want to wet my hair, because if you do not wet your hair before you put on a mask, the things that happen are: A, your hair eats up all the product. B, your hair eats up all the product. So I'm just going to mist my hair with this wonderful detangler spray, and then I'm going to use the Africa Pride Moisture Miracle Heat Activated Mask, and I'm going to put that all over my hair. This is the first time I've ever used a heat activated mask. This is also the second time that I've used African Pride products. I really am enjoying them. My hair feels a little different because I feel like these products are tailored to moisture and they're tailored to like natural hair, so it's like really making my hair very moisturized, hydrated. If you can tell, now that I've put the whole mask on all my hair feels very weighted and it feels just like very thick, even with the mask on. Mask on, mask off. Okay, so I'm gonna put my hair inside a shower cap before I put the struggle of a natural hair girl putting on a shower cap is it's just so funny. Look at me trying to squeeze the whole hair into this tiny shower cap, and it's really, oh wow, it worked. Anyway, so I'm going to also use the dryer attachment. This is all very new to me in the sense that I've never actually used a blow dryer attachment or done any heat treatments by myself at home, but this worked really well. So I just put the blow dryer attachment onto the blow dryer, and I'm not going to lie, it took me a while to really figure this out, because every time I would put it on, it kept like coming off my head. But when I pushed the top down, it kind of fit snug, and I was able to just wait from 15 to 30 minutes for the mask to be activated. Now, when I took out the shower cap, this is my original reaction, because my hair felt very soft. You can tell that my hair is a little softer because it has shrunk a little bit. So I washed the mask off and just made sure that my hair was dry. I like to massage my hair to make sure it's dry. So I'm just going to dry my hair, you know, usual things. Then I'm going to use the African Pride Moisture Miracle Leave-In Cream and their essential oil blend. So what method am I using? Using the LCO method. And basically this method stands for liquid oil cream. So that means that when there is water in your hair, it stands for liquid. Cream, which means like anything that is like a leave-in cream like I have, and oil. So oil seals everything in. What happens is that your moisture is sealed into your hair instead of just sliding off, because with 4C hair or with thicker hair, you want to make sure that you're really moisturizing a lot. So I always part my hair. I always section it off when I'm manipulating it, and I'm just going to use a head wrap to wrap up my hair because I had other things to do today, and obviously I don't want to go out with my 4 dookie braids. So I wrapped up my hair. We made sure that it was all wrapped up nice and tight, ready to hit the town. Then after I came back the next day, which I suggest you guys should wait 2 to 3 days, but I really wanted to show you guys this style, so I took it down the next day. It was still a bit damp because my hair does not dry on the inside. It takes a while to dry on the inside. So what I did for this style is I actually had to blow dry my hair. I did not insert this inside the video because I just felt like it was going to take up time. I just used a comb. I blow dried my hair on heat. Then after I was done blow drying, I parted the front. I have actually really been loving these kind of styles that are inspired by Janelle Monáe, the bouffant in the front. So I just decided to do something very modified, kind of like that, but it wasn't. So I put the pin, I basically took my hair and I tucked it in, and I left the back kind of out, but I also tucked in the back. With all these styles, it's all about manipulation, making your hair look a certain way. So this is basically the final style. Let me know down below what you thought. These products that I use from African Pride, I really do enjoy using them. I am going to be using them more. Have you guys tried African Pride products? Please let me know down below. They're relatively inexpensive. So I hope you guys enjoy this style. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video, which is coming up sooner than you think. Bye.